A cool crocheted blanket. I found it inside a Toyota motorhome that I used to own. That Grandma probably crocheted it. I can't get rid of it. When I sold the motorhome, I kept it. It's on top of the Chevy Cruze drying right now. I took it and washed it. I'm keeping it. It's going in my Chevy camper van. It's nice and warm. I bet the grandma hand crocheted all that. It dries real good on the car in Florida. It'll dry in 1 hour. That paint right there is probably, it's not 100. In the hot summer, it's over 100 degrees. You can't even touch the paint on the car. This is really cool the way they quilted this, or crocheted it. I don't think that's made in a factory. I think somebody handmade that. I could be wrong. I'm keeping it for camping. It's really warm.